Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the inspiring realm of the spirit animals oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of the dolphin spirit animal, renowned for communication, joy, and wonder. Part 1. Discovering the dolphin spirit. In the shimmering waters of the ocean, the dolphin emerges as a symbol of profound significance, embodying essential qualities of joy, communication, and harmony. At the core of the dolphin symbolism lies the essence of joy. In its exuberant and lighthearted nature, the dolphin exemplifies the art of finding joy in the simple pleasures of life. The spiritual medicine of the dolphin encourages us to release inhibitions, to live in the present moment, and to appreciate the beauty that surrounds us. By embodying the dolphin spirit of joy, we can infuse our lives with positivity, embrace a childlike sense of wonder, and find happiness in both the grand and the mundane moments of existence. Beyond joy, the dolphin epitomizes communication. In its harmonious clicks and whistles, the dolphin serves as a master of connecting with its pod and other sea creatures. The spiritual energy of the dolphin inspires us to improve our communication skills, to listen with empathy, and to express ourselves with love and understanding. Moreover, the dolphin represents harmony. In its synchronized movements and interactions with its pod, the dolphin becomes a symbol of unity and cooperation. By embracing the dolphin spirit of harmony, we can build peaceful communities, respect diversity, and work together to create a more harmonious and balanced planet. The dolphin's medicine extends to fostering empathy and love. In its gentle interactions with other creatures, the dolphin becomes a symbol of compassion and affection. The spiritual medicine of the dolphin encourages us to extend love and understanding to all beings, to practice empathy in our relationships, and to view the world through the lens of unity and interconnectedness. Part 2. Qualities of the dolphin spirit. The dolphin is a magnificent creature known for its intelligence, playfulness, and social nature. Possessing an extraordinary ability for communication, dolphins use a wide range of clicks, whistles, and body language to convey emotions and coordinate group activities. They exhibit a strong sense of community, forming close-knit pods where they support and protect one another. Highly adaptable and agile, dolphins display remarkable swimming skills and are often seen leaping and riding waves with joy. Their curiosity and friendly nature have earned them the reputation of being gentle and empathetic beings, capable of forming deep bonds with humans and other animals. The dolphin's qualities symbolize harmony, freedom, intuition, and a deep connection with the mysteries of the ocean. Part 3. Cultural and mythological significance of the dolphin spirit. Throughout various cultures and mythologies, the dolphin holds significant symbolic and spiritual meaning. In ancient Greek mythology, dolphins were associated with the god Dionysus, symbolizing joy, playfulness, and celebration. They were also believed to be protectors of sailors and were often depicted on ancient Greek coins and pottery as benevolent companions of Poseidon, the god of the sea. In Celtic folklore, dolphins were seen as guardians of sacred wells and portals to other realms. They were considered to be highly intelligent and wise creatures, embodying both the water and air elements, thus representing balance and harmony. In many indigenous cultures, dolphins are revered as spiritual guides and messengers, believed to possess the ability to communicate with the spirit world and act as intermediaries between humans and the divine. They are seen as symbols of transformation, healing, and renewal. In modern times, dolphins have become symbols of environmental conservation and the need to protect marine life and oceans. Their playful and social nature has also inspired a sense of joy and connection among people, encouraging us to appreciate the wonders of nature and the interconnectedness of all living beings. Overall, the cultural and mythological significance of the dolphin reflects its profound impact on human consciousness and the deep respect it has garnered as a wise and spiritual creature of the sea. Part 4. A dolphin in my dreams. Dreams involving dolphins often carry profound and multi-layered meanings, tapping into the depths of our subconscious and spiritual realms. The appearance of a dolphin in your dream may symbolize a strong connection to your intuitive and emotional self, urging you to pay attention to your inner wisdom and instincts. Dolphins are known for their intelligence and communication skills, and in the dream realm, they can serve as messengers from the unconscious, bringing insights and guidance from hidden depths. Seeing a dolphin swimming gracefully through the dream ocean can represent a sense of freedom, playfulness, and joy in your waking life. It may be an invitation to embrace your creativity and allow yourself to explore new possibilities and experiences. The dolphin's fluid and agile movements can serve as a reminder to navigate through life's challenges with flexibility and adaptability. Moreover, the dolphin's strong sense of community and cooperation with their pod members can be mirrored in your own relationships. This dream may encourage you to nurture a supportive and harmonious environment with your loved ones, fostering a sense of belonging and unity. On a spiritual level, dolphins are considered highly spiritual beings in various cultures and mythologies. Their presence in a dream could be seen as a connection to the spiritual realm, encouraging you to explore your spiritual path and embrace your inner wisdom. In some cultures, dolphins are believed to be guides and protectors of the soul, guiding departed souls to the afterlife. Thus, the dream might carry a message of comfort and guidance during challenging times or transitions in your life. Overall, the meaning of a dolphin in a dream can be a reminder to stay connected to your emotions, listen to your intuition, and find balance between the playfulness and seriousness of life. It can serve as a powerful symbol of love, protection, and the beautiful mysteries of existence. Part 5. Habitat, Behaviors, and Ecological Importance of the Dolphin. Habitat. Dolphins are highly adaptable marine mammals found in a wide range of habitats across the world's oceans. They prefer warm and temperate waters and can be found in coastal areas, bays, estuaries, and offshore regions. Some species, like the common dolphin, prefer deep ocean waters, while others, like the bottlenose dolphin, are often seen close to shore. Dolphins are social creatures and are frequently spotted in pods, ranging from a few individuals to hundreds. They are excellent swimmers, capable of reaching speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, and have streamlined bodies with powerful tails that enable them to navigate through the water with agility and grace. Their remarkable ability to communicate through a series of clicks, whistles, and body language facilitates their interactions and enhances their survival in their diverse aquatic habitats. Behaviors. Playfulness. Dolphins are known for their playful nature and can often be seen leaping, jumping, and riding waves for sheer enjoyment. They engage in various games, such as chasing each other, playing with seaweed, and tossing objects around. Social bonds. Dolphins are highly social animals and form strong bonds within their pods. They communicate with each other through a complex system of vocalizations, clicks, and whistles, which helps maintain group cohesion and coordinate activities. Intelligence and problem solving. Dolphins are intelligent creatures, capable of problem solving and learning new tasks. They have been observed using tools, such as sponges, to protect their noses while foraging on the seafloor, hunting and feeding. Dolphins are skilled hunters and primarily feed on fish, squid, and other small marine creatures. They work together to herd schools of fish and use cooperative hunting techniques to catch their prey. Communication and echolocation. Dolphins use echolocation to navigate and find food in their underwater environment. By emitting sound waves and listening to the echoes, they can create a detailed mental map of their surroundings, allowing them to locate prey and communicate with other members of their pod effectively. Ecological importance. Dolphins play a crucial ecological role in marine ecosystems, contributing to the overall health and balance of ocean life. As top predators, they help control the population of their prey, maintaining a balance within the food chain. By regulating the abundance of certain fish species, dolphins indirectly impact the entire marine ecosystem. Moreover, their highly social behavior fosters strong pod structures, promoting cooperation and communication among members. This enhances their ability to find food and protect each other, thereby increasing their survival rate as a species. Additionally, dolphins' advanced communication and echolocation abilities contribute to a better understanding of the underwater environment, aiding in navigation, finding prey, and avoiding potential dangers. Part 6. How the dolphin contributes to scientific research. Dolphins' advanced cognitive capacities, demonstrated through problem-solving, self-awareness, and intricate social behaviors, provide valuable insights into marine mammalian brain evolution and function, challenging our understanding of intelligence in the animal kingdom. The dolphin's sophisticated echolocation system, where they emit sounds and interpret the returning echoes to discern objects, has informed research in sonar technology and sensory biology. Their complex vocalizations and communication patterns are subjects of ongoing studies in bioacoustics, with hopes of deciphering interspecies communication. Part 7. Guided visualization to connect with the dolphin spirit. Close your eyes and find a comfortable position. Take a few deep breaths to relax your body and clear your mind. Imagine yourself standing on a sandy beach, with the gentle waves of the ocean lapping at your feet. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and the soft breeze in the air. As you look out at the vast expanse of the ocean, you notice a group of dolphins gracefully gliding through the water. They move with such elegance and joy, their playfulness filling the air with a sense of wonder and freedom. You feel drawn to their energy and decide to wade into the water. Step by step, you enter the ocean, feeling the cool, refreshing water enveloping your body. You swim out to join the dolphins, feeling their presence all around you. As you approach them, they welcome you with open hearts and minds. The dolphins invite you to swim alongside them, and as you do, you feel a deep sense of connection and oneness with these magnificent creatures. They communicate with you not through words, but through feelings and intuition, sharing their wisdom and insights. As you swim with the dolphins, you feel a profound sense of joy and playfulness wash over you. They encourage you to let go of any worries or burdens and to embrace the present moment fully. They show you how to navigate life with grace and adaptability, reminding you to trust your instincts and follow your heart. You feel a strong sense of love and acceptance from the dolphins, knowing that you are a part of something much greater than yourself. You feel a deep connection to the natural world and a renewed sense of purpose and belonging. Take a moment to soak in the energy of the dolphins and the ocean around you. Feel the joy and wisdom they have shared with you, knowing that you can call upon their spirit whenever you need guidance or support. When you are ready, slowly begin to swim back to the shore. As you step out of the water and onto the beach, carry the energy of the dolphins with you, knowing that you are forever connected to their spirit. Take a few deep breaths, and when you are ready, open your eyes. Carry the wisdom and joy of the dolphin spirit with you as you go about your day, knowing that you are always connected to the vast and beautiful world of nature and spirit. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.